Hi, I'm Faraz Sadiq and I'm a fourth-year student in the Economics, Politics and Social Thought program at Bard College Berlin. And today I'll show you how and where PCB students get their meals on campus.
At Bard College Berlin, on-campus students have access to a meal plan 5 days a week that includes breakfast, lunch and dinner with a range of options that cater to different dietary needs. Breakfast is served buffet style in our dining hall, while lunch and dinner are provided by a local catering service. These freshly prepared meals are delivered to campus and students can choose to enjoy them either in the dining hall garden or take them back to their apartments. On weekends, students use the fully equipped kitchens in their on-campus apartments to cook for themselves or with their flatmates. There are 4 grocery stores within a 10-minute walk of the student residence halls, as well as several nearby restaurants and cafes. Through the city-run Studierendenwerk, students also have access to cafeterias around Berlin, where they can find affordable meal options on days when they're studying or working off campus. And of course, the city of Berlin offers a wide variety of cuisines with plenty of options on a student budget.
With such a wide variety of meal options at PCB and throughout Berlin, finding something that suits your tastes is never a problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a good insight into dining at BCB.